Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is a video that I normally don't do, but I want to talk about a topic that I have been seeing floating around the internet once in a while. But before I get right into it, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Steven, also known as SJ Yang, SJ in Production. I've been a videographer, photographer for the past 4 years now as a business, but I've been a hobbyist for about 7 years now, and that will lead into the topic I will be talking about today. So why does a videographer and photographer charge so much? So to answer you guys' question, we spend a lot of money investing to our gears, our cameras, our stuff, and so forth, you know? So we want to make sure that before we go to on an event shoot, we want to make sure that it is at least compensated to cover partial of it, not full of it, but partial of it to make it worth the time worthwhile to go. For example, my camera that I'm using right now, it's almost a $4,000 setup. This is the Sony a7S III. That is just the body by itself. You still gotta include the lens. You still gotta include memory cards, storage, the programs that we pay monthly, and our time. Because even after the event, we gotta come back home. We gotta upload all those files into our computer, and with our gears and our time, we are creating your guys' memories for you guys. It's not that we just want to charge you guys a bunch of money and charge you guys so much. No, it's not that. We're charging you guys that because it's our time and our investment into what we love doing. So I hope this video kind of cleared things up for you guys to make you guys understand. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I know that right now time is tough. Just hang in there and be strong and stay safe and stay healthy. And I'll see you guys in the next video.